Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to disable the lock screen wallpaper services or how to disable the lock screen ads in this device. So in this device you can see I already enabled the lock screen wallpaper services or ads in this device, you can see. So let me show you how to disable this one. Okay, simply go to settings, scroll down, tap on the option wallpaper and style. Tap on change wallpaper, scroll to bottom, tap on wallpaper services. You can see two wallpaper services are there, dynamic lock screen and Samsung global goals. To disable this lock screen wallpaper services or to disable the lock screen ads, select the option none. Tap on apply. Now lock the device. You can see. So in this device, the lock screen wallpaper services is disabled, or simply this way you can disable the lock screen wallpaper services or ads in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.